Hey, folks! Welcome to A Quick Note. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of feline folklore, exploring the legendary belief that cats have multiple lives. From ancient Egypt to Shakespearean plays and beyond, this myth has woven itself into cultures worldwide. Ever wondered why cats are said to have 9 lives? Stick around as we uncover the tales and traditions behind this fascinating concept. And of course, if you enjoy these quick explorations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing tidbits. Let's get started. Ever wondered if cats truly have 9 lives? It's a quirky saying that has been passed around, but is there any truth to it? And who's keeping track? Good news for dogs, cats don't actually have 9 lives. The whole 9 lives thing is just a fun story that people have been sharing for ages. Let's talk about myths. Myths are like really old stories or legends. They often include people, animals, heroes, or events. The interesting part is, even though myths aren't based on real facts, they're like ancient explanations for different ideas or things that happen in nature. So, no need to worry about cats using up 8 lives and having just 1 left. They've got the same deal as the rest of us, 1 life to live. So, where did this idea of cats having 9 lives come from? Well, it's a bit of a mystery. We don't have a definite answer, but we do know it's been around for a really long time. Even William Shakespeare mentioned the 9 lives myth in his play Romeo and Juliet. And there's this old saying that goes, a cat has 9 lives. For 3 he plays, for 3 he strays, and for the last 3, he stays. Some folks think the myth is connected to how cats are super good at landing on their feet. You know, like they have a built-in safety feature. Cats are also famous for being really nimble and quick, which might be why people came up with this idea of multiple lives for them. So, it's a mix of old stories, proverbs, and maybe a touch of admiration for our feline friends' incredible skills. As time went on, people saw cats come out unscathed from situations that would have seriously hurt other animals. Imagine seeing that. It might make you think cats are somehow indestructible. In ancient Egypt, cats were like superstars. People there thought they were divine beings with special powers, almost like little gods. This belief that cats could have more than 1 life matched up with how they saw them. But why specifically 9 lives? That's a bit of a mystery. There are a bunch of ideas, and one goes back to ancient Egyptian stories. They had this sun god named Atum-Ra, who, they believed, turned into a cat when visiting the underworld. Legend has it that Atum-Ra had 8 other gods, kind of like giving him 9 lives in a way. So, it's a mix of cats being really resilient and some cool ancient stories that made people think they had this magical number of lives, 9. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Some folks think the idea of cats having 9 lives might have roots in China, where the number 9 is considered super lucky. They call it the Trinity of Trinities, and it's seen as pretty mystical in lots of religions and places across the globe. This whole notion that cats can bounce back from anything isn't unique to one place. It's like a global myth. But get this, not everyone agrees on the number of lives. In some Spanish-speaking spots, people think cats have 7 lives. Meanwhile, Turkish and Arabic legends tell stories of cats having 6 lives. So, it's a bit like a worldwide debate on just how many chances these clever cats really get. And there you have it, a quick journey into the mythical realm of cats and their supposed multiple lives. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to A Quick Note for more bite-sized insights into the wonders of the world. Who knew the number of a cat's lives could be so globally debated? Until next time, this is A Quick Note, signing off. Stay curious.